Hi guys, I got this portable monitor. It's a 15.6 portable monitor from Arzopa. The brand is called Arzopa, and I got it because it's budget friendly. I can easily connect it with my phone or my laptop when I am on the move and I want us to unbox. The packaging is so nice. It's cushioned in here. And the monitor is here. Let's see what is in the box first. We have the warranty card. We have the manuals. And we have 3 cables. This is my favorite part. We have HDMI to mini HDMI cable. We have a Type-C to Type-C. This will come in handy because I can easily connect my laptop, my phone, another monitor. This will come in handy, C to C. And we have this Type-A to Type-C cable, also will come in handy. And that's all in the box. So let's open this one. So far you can see how portable it is. Oh, it looks good, guys. Checky. This one will easily fit in my handbag, or when I'm traveling, I can easily put it in the bag. And comes with this one. It's called a kickstand. Checky. This is my favorite portable monitor so far. So let's connect it so that you can see how it works and we can learn together. So I got it for about 15k. That's like 150 USD. I'm going to attach the website and their phone number down on the description box, and I'm also going to put it right here. You can talk to them. They have different varieties from touchscreen. This one is a non-touch. They also have a touch screen, which is also affordable, but for my budget, I wanted this one. So let's connect and see how it works. This is the C to C cable. Whoa, it is powered by just the phone. Just the phone, and it's able to power it. And something else, you must have a phone with Samsung DeX. So it is suitable for anyone using Samsung, a phone with Samsung DeX. The good thing about this portable monitor and why I got it, you just don't need any external power, just like this. It is powered by your phone, so it is easy to move with it. For example, here I have the phone. So once you connect the two, your phone becomes your mouse pad and you can access anything. For example, let's say you can access your files from your phone to the screen. So these are the files. You can access anything here. You can also watch YouTube. You can listen to podcasts, your favorite podcasts. You can have your kids watching anything from YouTube from this portable monitor. And my most favorite thing is about reading books. You can easily be able to read books through it. Let me show you something else about this Arzopa portable monitor. I can also use it this way. So I can use it in portrait form like this, and also in landscape mode like that. So you not only connect it to your phone, you can also connect it to your laptop. Let me show you. If your work requires a second screen, for example, you go to meet people. For example, I am a coach. I coach people about digital marketing and working from home. Sometimes I go meet people in cafes, for example, at Java, and I need a second screen. This comes in handy. So when I'm going out with my girls or when I have something with my kids, we can easily just carry the portable monitor and the phone and watch whichever movie or just do anything from it. It's good for picnics and outings with the kids. I wanted to connect it via my laptop. And remember, it is powered directly by your computer or your phone. Just one cable and there it is. Just look, guys. My laptop is here and just this one. Now I can easily use the two screens. So here I can easily multitask with these two screens. If you work from home or you're a person who requires bigger screen or an extra screen, this is for you guys. This one will come in handy when I'm going out for coaching and I just want to carry my phone. So I can easily connect this one to my phone and I am able to coach my customers or people in digital marketing very easily without having to carry bulky laptops, bulky computers. Yes, guys, I just love this Arzopa portable monitor. Guys, if you're looking for a second screen, you should get this one. And I got it from a shop called Future Point on Google. I'm going to leave out their contact and a link to their website down on the description box. I'm going to put their contact here. You can talk to them and get yours.